video, I'm going to teach you how to exit Steam Big Picture mode on PC. Disable exit. If you've ever launched Steam and found yourself in the full screen Big Picture interface, this guide will show you how to quickly exit back to the regular desktop view, and how to stop Steam from opening in Big Picture mode automatically in the future. First, let's get you out of Big Picture mode right now. The fastest method is to use your keyboard. Press Alt plus Enter to toggle out of Big Picture immediately. This command tells Steam to switch out of the full screen Big Picture interface and return to the standard Steam window. If that doesn't respond, make sure the Big Picture window is active, then press the Escape key. On many setups, Escape will either back you out or bring up the main overlay so you can leave Big Picture. These shortcuts are quick, reliable, and ideal when you just want to get back to the normal interface without digging through menus. If you prefer using the on-screen menus, or Escape opens the overlay instead, look for the power icon in Big Picture mode. Open the menu and choose Exit Big Picture mode. If Escape is available, press it to access the menu, then select Power, and confirm Exit Big Picture mode. After a moment, Steam will switch back to the standard desktop client. Now that you're back in the regular Steam window, let's prevent Big Picture mode from auto-starting. This is especially useful if Steam has been launching straight into Big Picture every time you open it. At the top left of the normal Steam interface, click Steam, then choose Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Interface section. Find the option labeled Start Steam in Big Picture mode or Launch Steam in Big Picture mode, and uncheck it. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your Steam version, but the meaning is the same. Click OK to save your change. To make sure the new setting takes effect, close and restart Steam. When Steam reopens, it should launch directly into the standard desktop interface instead of Big Picture. If you ever want to return to Big Picture in the future, you can still launch it from the View menu or by clicking the Big Picture icon in the top right of the regular client. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.